All right, before we can add two vectors, we have to make sure that they are conformable for addition. Conformable for what? Addition. When you hear conformable for addition, what does it mean? It means that they should have the same order. For example, it may be maybe 3 by 4 matrix and 3 by what? 4 matrix. That is only time that you can add these two matrices together. If the orders are not the same, you cannot add them. For example, you cannot add 3 by 4 matrix and maybe 3 by 3 matrix. Can you see that? 3 by 3 matrix. What I mean by 3 by 3 means that the row should be 4. What I mean by 3 by 4 is that row should be 3 and column should be what? 4. And also row here should be what? 3 and column should be what? 4. So when you have row being 3 and column to be 4, and here you have row being 3 and column to be 3, you notice that this and this, they are different. You say that they are not what? Conformable. Can you see? They are not conformable, but these are conformable because the orders are what? The same. You can only add two matrices that their orders are what? The same. You say that such matrices are said to be what? Conformable. So we only add conformable what? Matrices. So this one cannot be added because they are not conformable. Follow me. Let me show you how to add some matrices with some given examples. Let's go. They are not difficult. All right, we have example 1. Example 1 says, simplify this. When you look at this now, we are talking about what? Addition. Addition of this matrix and what? This matrix. First of all, you ask yourself, are they conformable? If they are conformable, before you now start adding, they are conformable. Why? Because the number of rows you have here is equals to number of rows you have here. The number of columns you have here is equals to number of columns that you have here. Let's check. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows. Here we have 1, 2, 3. The number of columns here we have 1, 2. Here we have what? 1, 2. So they are conformable. Likewise here, the number of rows we have 1, 2. Here we have 1, 2. Number of columns we have 1, 2, 3. Number of columns here 1, 2, 3. So they are also what? Conformable. All right, so let us solve. We have solution like this. How do we now solve this? So we have number A says you should add this. Let me bring down what we have here. We have like this. All right, so we have this. They said this plus this. All right, so this will give us, we have this, just this, add this and this. Can you see? The first one here, you have this plus this. For this second one, you have like this, add this and this. You have 5 plus what? This. Is it clear? We're done with this one. You come here, you have 1, you have 3. Can you see it? You pick like this, you have 1 plus 3. For here you have 7 and 1, you have 7 plus 1. Here you have 3 and 4, you have 3 plus 4. Here you have 4 and 0, you have 4 and 0 like this. Can you see that? That is how this can be solved. All right, let us add together. When we add this thing together, what do we have? We have the matrix like this. 4 plus 4 will give us what? It will give us 8. 5 plus 3 will give us 8. So we have like this. 1 plus 3 will give us 4. We have 4 like this. 7 plus 1 will give us 8. We have like this. 3 plus 4 will give us 7. We have 7. And 4 plus 0 will give us this. Can you see that? So the sum of these two matrices will give us what? This particular one. Can you see that? That is how it can be solved. Let us solve number B. We have B like this. They said simplify this one. We have 3. Here we have 2. We have 4, we have 5, we have 6, we have 7. Can you see that? Plus we have this, we have 1, 2, 0, we have 3, we have 1, we have 4, like this. All right, they say simplify this. We are adding now, so we have this. Just bring this and bring this. You have 3 plus what? 1. Bring this and bring this. You have 4 plus 0. Bring this and bring this. You have 6 plus 1, like this. Bring this one and bring this one. You have 2 plus 2. Bring this one and bring this one. You have this plus this. You have this and this. You have this 5 and 3. Then 7 and what? 4. You have 7 and what? 4, like this. Can you see that? So this, look at it here. This, look at it here. This, look at it here. This and this here. This and this here. This and this here. All right. They will now give us equal to, what are we going to get? Let's find out. So we say 3 plus 1 will give us what? It will give us 4. 4 plus 0 will give us 4, and 1 plus 6 will give us what? 7. We have like this. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. 5 plus 3 will give us 8, and 7 plus 4 will give us 11. So we have like this. Can you see it? Aha. So that is how we can add matrices. Remember, number one condition is that 2 or 3 of them, or any number of matrices you're talking about, they must be what? Conformable. That is number one condition. And if they are conformable, you just solve it the way I just solved it on the board now. All right. I believe that you enjoyed the way I just solved it here now. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge. Bye.